In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a ringtone on a Samsung phone. Changing your ringtone might seem simple, but it's a great way to personalize your device. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Just look for the gear-shaped icon. Once you tap on it, the Settings menu will open, showing a list of different options for customizing your phone. This step is important because it serves as the gateway to all the settings on your device. From the Settings menu, tap on the option labeled Sounds and Vibration. This section controls all the audio settings on your phone, from ringtones to notification sounds. Navigating to this section is crucial, as it ensures you're adjusting the right settings for your ringtone. Now in the Sounds and Vibration menu, you should see an option labeled Ringtone. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up a list of available ringtones on your device. You'll notice that Samsung provides a variety of preset tones to choose from. Accessing this list gives you the freedom to select the sound that best suits your style. If your phone has 2 SIM cards installed, you'll be prompted to select which SIM card's ringtone you want to change. Simply tap on the SIM card option that you want to customize. This step is essential if you're managing multiple phone numbers, as it allows you to set different ringtones for each number. Once you've selected the SIM card, you can tap on any ringtone to preview it. You'll hear a short snippet of the tone, helping you decide if it's the right choice for you. This feature is a time saver because it lets you evaluate the options without committing to one blindly. After listening to a few, decide on the ringtone you want to use. Simply tap on it to select it. This selection process is key as it lets you personalize your phone to match your preferences. Remember, the ringtone you choose will be what you hear every time someone calls you, so pick something you'll enjoy. Finally, tap the back button to save your selection. You won't see a save button, so returning to the previous screen is how your choice is confirmed. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your new ringtone is set. This final action ensures that your changes are applied and that your phone will ring with your newly chosen tone. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the ringtone on your Samsung phone. Remember, customizing your ringtone is a small change that can make a big difference in how you experience your device daily. It's a fun way to add a personal touch to your smartphone. So go ahead and enjoy your new ringtone the next time your phone rings.